Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make an ice-dyed spiral shirt that I'm going to dye in the muck. And I'm going to show you an easy way to add some dark accent lines on the shirt. The shirt has been washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. The shirt is also turned inside out. I'm beginning the spiral with a fork, and as I turn the fork with one hand, I'm using my other hand to form additional folds in the shirt. Once I have the entire shirt folded, I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to muck dye this shirt. So I have a plastic container that is just about the size of the shirt, not a whole lot larger, and to easily add a few dark accents to the shirt, before I put the shirt down inside the container, I'm going to add blue MX2G from Custom Colors down into the bottom of the container. I'm going to sprinkle it evenly across the bottom of the container, then I'm going to lay the shirt down on top of the powdered dye. I'm going to add the dye to the top of the ice for this shirt, so I'm beginning by placing a layer of ice on top of the shirt. I'm going to use two different colors of teal for the front of this shirt. I'm beginning with Mermaid's Dream from Dharma Trading Company. I'm going to add a stripe of the Mermaid's Dream right down the middle, then leave a gap and add another stripe to each side. In the remaining blank spaces, I'm going to add Jade from Dharma Trading Company. Now I'm going to add a little bit of additional soda ash over the top. I'm adding this so that when this ice melts and runs through the shirt, I make sure that I have plenty of soda ash left in the shirt to react with the dye. Now I'm going to put this container aside where it doesn't get disturbed at all for at least 24 to 48 hours. I believe this one processed for about 48 hours. Then I took the shirt to the sink and began rinsing it in cold water to get out the soda ash. After a while, I gradually warmed the water up to hot, and I rinse in hot water to get out any of the excess dye that hasn't bonded with the fabric. After a while, I still had quite a bit of dye coming out, so I added a little bit of hot water to my sink, added just a couple drops of Blue Dawn dish soap to my sink, and let the shirt soak. I continued the soaking process, changing out the water until most of the excess dye was removed and the water was almost clear. Then I threw the shirt in the washing machine and I washed it using hot water and a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. Threw it in the dryer, and this is what our shirt looks like. There's not a whole lot of color contrast between the Mermaid's Dream and the Jade Green. However, there is enough just to give it a little bit of interest. See, it was really easy too to add the color to the bottom of the container before we put the shirt down to add on those dark lines. If you all enjoyed watching this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.